Hello friends. Now I will tell you how to plant cucumbers in the open ground, and I will do it through seeds, and also most importantly I will tell you what to soak them in, and what to water, so that the seeds rise very quickly and you get the first harvest faster. I use my own seeds collected from last year's cucumbers. What you need to do first, we take some kind of container, pour out all the seeds there. And I already told you about this once, you will need hydrogen peroxide. I fill the container to block all the seeds. This hydrogen peroxide is 3%. No need to dilute it with anything. Soak the seeds for about 15 minutes. You don't need it anymore. During this time, the peroxide will soften the seed shell, and it will be much easier for it to germinate. In the meantime, we have time. Prepare the holes for sowing seeds. My cucumbers will grow in one row. It is planned to grow grapes here later. But now I will use this place for cucumbers, and they will weave along my trellis. Therefore, the distance from hole to hole for me will be about 20 inches. And I will also tell you when to start sowing cucumbers in the open ground. Cucumbers begin to germinate at a soil temperature of 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and in order for the soil temperature to be like this, the daytime temperature should be somewhere around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and at night at least 50. Then you can sow cucumbers, and they will rise very quickly. If it is still cold outside, the night temperature is 41 degrees, and the daytime temperature is up to 59 degrees, then if you sow cucumbers, they will simply rot in the ground and will not germinate. Then it is necessary to drain each well with water. Now let the driver soak in and start disembarking. As you can see, the moisture is almost absorbed and we are still making one solution. First of all, our seeds are heavily drunk with peroxide, soften. With this soaking, we didn't just soften it, but they also disinfected the seeds. Now we drain the peroxide. Here is our seed, and we still need to make a disinfectant solution, which will also help us disinfect the soil itself in which our cucumbers will grow, so that rot and diseases do not attack our young sprout, and this will also help us germinate seeds earlier. I have a 2-liter bottle of clean water, and it needs to add 4 tablespoons of hydrogen snacks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close, mix. I said that I use my own seeds, so I have a lot of them, and you can put 2 or 3 seeds in one hole. This is necessary so that we get cucumber shoots in any case. Because if I sow one seed, it may not germinate and the hole will be empty. And in this way I lay out seeds 1, 2 and 3 at a short distance from each other. And then I can also leave 2 sprouts, because I grow on a trellis. I will direct one sprout to the left, the second to the right. Also, if you do not grow on a trellis, you can also make the hole even larger, plant up to 5 seeds, and then put a cut bottle in the center. And through it to do watering, and put sprouts so that they weave in different directions on the ground. Now the seeds need to be covered, but not very much, and we have such a hole. Now I open the bottle a little, and also drain the soil with our disinfectant. This will be enough. Now, if I leave this hole like this, it will dry out quickly in one day, and it will be covered with a thick crust, because it's already 68 degrees Fahrenheit outside. And even the fact that we softened the seeds, it will not help to break through it. And you need to do the following. We take some material. I have a ceramic tile, it moves away from it. You can also use a whiteboard. If you have a small one, just cover the hole from direct sunlight. Thus, there are depressions here, the soil will be covered, it will always be wet, the sprout when it sprouts will not immediately rest against the tile, it will have a place to grow. And we will go every day and see if there is a sprout or not. And if the street is already more than 68 degrees during the day and somewhere 50 degrees at night, then you will not have to wait long, already on the 2nd or 3rd day you will have sprouts. Therefore, be sure to do this when planting cucumbers in the open ground, and you will get 100% shoots that will grow quickly and will not get sick. If you still have any questions, please submit them in the comments section. I have that all and see you in the new videos.